If you've been scrolling Amazon lately, you've probably seen the AstroAI Portable Tire Inflator popping up everywhere. Thousands of 5-star reviews. Small enough to fit in your glove box and priced under $40. It sounds like the perfect little tool, but the reality is more complicated than the hype suggests. On paper, AstroAI markets this as a compact, high-performance inflator that can handle everything from car tires to sports equipment, and for casual buyers it seems almost too good to be true. Digging into its design, I found that many people confuse it with another well-known American brand, which only adds to the initial appeal and trust factor. The pressure gauge, one of the most important aspects of any inflator, shows results that often differ significantly from calibrated gauges, raising concerns about accuracy, especially if you rely on it for precise tire pressure. Another point that isn't immediately obvious is that the replacement fittings, should you need them, can cost nearly half the price of the inflator itself, which surprises a lot of buyers after their first use. Mechanics also caution that over time, the hose and connector assembly can start to leak, which reduces reliability and may turn a convenient tool into a source of frustration. While AstroAI markets the L7 as an innovative in-house product, the actual manufacturing comes from a different overseas factory, which isn't necessarily a problem, but it is worth knowing when evaluating build quality. Real owners comparing the inflator against standard, calibrated tools noticed inconsistent performance under repeated use, which doesn't make it bad but definitely something to consider if you expect professional-grade reliability. Overall, the AstroAI Portable Tire Inflator is compact, inexpensive, and surprisingly versatile. But it has a few caveats that every buyer should be aware of before adding it to their car essentials. It's not a revolution, but it's not a disaster either, just a mixed bag that works well in some scenarios and less so in others.